It's kind of, you know, in your CV.
So what's... Oh, this is the front.
So, good night, Koenigsegg Jesko. What a day it has been. Incredible. A guy just bought 3. Take all 3 versions. 125 regular, 15 track version, and maybe like one 500 km per hour version. Of course, you take all 3. It's like a money machine right now. So, Jesko. Which is Christian von Koenigsegg's father, who had given all to the Koenigsegg brand. Helped his son build one of the most epic cars in history. And here we have the specs. Engine in detail. And the green is from Jesko von Koenigsegg's racehorse, like, can you say suit or uniform? That is from the horse track days. And here is the brand new gearbox. Light speed transmission. To see stands here, Ghost Koenigsegg. Let's see here. Koenigsegg logo everywhere. Precision turbos. And this is the business end of the Jesko. You will be left in the dust. If you're gonna race this guy. Looks gorgeous. Anyway, this fall, what a day, what a crazy day. And it's complete lovely party feeling at the Koenigsegg stand. It's like everybody having a great time. And it's like just hands down the best Geneva stand in the world. And who we have here, I believe this and this is Jesko on the hood, on the racehorse. So I actually started crying a bit when the